All right, check this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a 3-point anchor with cams, and this is one of the most basic configurations that you'll ever come up with. One of the easiest ways to do it is let's say you have this power cord. If you tie a clove hitch on your first one, then it kind of keeps that knot out of the way, and then you can just clip and clip, and then you pull these down till we get everything all to the middle, and then depending on how much space we want, how far down we want, will determine the knot we do. So we can do an overhand, and the overhand is just right here, makes it a little bit longer. You could do a figure 8. Or you could do, like, maybe some people call it a figure 9 or a big old honking knot or whatever, or we just go round and around, and then that sucks up a whole bunch of cord. And then this gives us our master point where we can clip ourselves in here, and then we can put our climbing partner here. We're putting the rig on, not that you would use a rig, but putting the rig on here, and there we go, we have an anchor.